my YouTube channel. Now we start how to make graph on Desmos and find the maximum and minimum value of the quadratic curve. So let's suppose we have equation y is equal to general equation a bracket x minus h whole square plus k. So here there are three unknowns a, h and k. What is the behavior of a, what is the behavior of h, and what is the behavior of k? So if we see what is the behavior of a, so here a, so if a is greater than 0, then the graph is upward because the value is the minimum. So like this, if I see here, if y is greater a is greater than 0, so if a less than 0, you can see that was downward and it has minimum value, maximum value. So if a is greater than 0, minimum value, and a is greater than 0, maximum value. So you can see this is the behavior of a. So if a equal to 0, it means the line is straight. So here this is the straight line. So if greater than 0, then upward, and this is the point h1 comma 1. Here you can see that the value of the turning point, which we call the vertex, so which is equal to vertex h comma k. So here h comma k is the vertex, h comma k is the vertex. Let's suppose it is v. So you can see that what is the value of v here in this graph. This is the v point. Okay, if I, so you can see this is the v vertex, so that is called v. And if you see what is the behavior of h, so if I move h positive, then it will go to the forward, and if I put negative, then it will go to the backward. So if I run this, this is run in left and right. So the value of y is fixed 1, and the value of x is changed from x-axis, from positive to negative, backward, left and right. If I stop h and move k, so the behavior of k is upward and downward. So the vertex change and the graph uh, shift upward to the downward. If I run this, so this is uh, upward and downward run. So you can easily, this is the behavior of a, h and k. This is the graph of a curve, that is called parabola. So this is the graph of parabola. You can easily make this, and you can make the vertices of this. So I write, let's suppose a is anyone, or I write in the form 2x square plus 4x minus, let's suppose 8. So you can see that this is the vertex, and the value of x is -1 and value of y is -10. So this is the vertex, and this is the x-intercept, y-intercept, and that is called the y-intercept. So y-intercept is -8. If we put x, value of x is 0, then y is equal to -8, that is called y-intercept. So our x-intercepts are, if y equal to 0, then there are the two x-intercepts. So they will be, x-intercepts are these, and these are the uh, minus 3 point something and 1 point something. So you can see this is a graph of the curve and you can make it easily. So I hope you understand easily and you can make this graph. Okay, so inshallah I will tell you the behavior of ellipse and how we make the ellipse on the Desmos. Okay, Allah Hafiz in the next video.